In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive large amounts of money on Cash App. There's going to be 5 ways you can do this. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks. You can file your taxes, which I'll have some tutorial videos on soon. You have a card where you can spend your balance, and you can do peer-to-peer payments. So let's get right into the 5 different ways you can do this. The first way, like I've done right here several times, is that you're going to want to provide the person sending you money your cash tag. So in order to do this, you can tap the icon in the top right corner, and then up at the top it's going to show your name, and right under that will be your cash tag. So you just tell the person that's sending you money your cash tag. They will come to this peer-to-peer payment screen, type in the amount, tap pay, and then type in your cash tag right here in this to field. And then they just select your name from this list and tap pay and go through the process. That's how I did all of those payments that I just showed you. The next way is going to be in person. So you're both going to need Cash App, and what you want to do is tap the icon in the top left corner, and then down here at the bottom of the screen, you're going to tap on My Code. This is going to provide your code, so they can come into their scanner, scan your code, and then it's basically just going to take them to this screen right here. They put in the amount and tap send. Both of those work the exact same way. The money is instantly going to come here to your cash balance. The third way is going to be a wire transfer. And to do this, next to your cash balance, you want to tap on account and routing. Then you want to scroll down and tap on get bank or wire transfer. And I have a full tutorial video on this if you want to know more details about it. But basically you can send money from your bank to your Cash App, or you could have someone else send money from their bank to your Cash App using this routing number, account number, and the name of the bank you see here at the bottom of the screen. The fourth way is going to be through Paychecks. So you can tap on Paychecks here. If you receive a lot of money from your job, $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, whatever it is, you can actually set your paychecks to come right here into Cash App. I've done this for some small gigs that I have going, just some Amazon and like partner payments, and it works really well. That money will also come right here into your Cash App balance. All of these methods just end up in your Cash App balance. The fifth method is going to be Bitcoin. So you can tap on Bitcoin, scroll down, and then tap on deposit Bitcoin. Then this is going to show your Bitcoin addresses. So you're going to want to copy the Bitcoin network address most likely, unless you know specifically that the sender is sending you through a Lightning wallet. But just copy this Bitcoin address and then paste that to the person that's sending you Bitcoin. So they could send you 1 Bitcoin, which is $66,000. They could send you any amount of your choosing. And then what you're going to do is tap this sell button, and you could tap all, or you could tap the 3 dots and decide to sell like $10,000 at a time. And then once you sell that Bitcoin, that money will come here to your cash balance. So like I said, all the methods come to your cash balance, and then you can send this cash balance to your bank by tapping the cash out button. You could add it to your savings where you can earn 4.5% interest. You can buy Bitcoin, you could buy stocks, you could spend it with your Cash App card, or you could use it to send peer-to-peer payments to other people. I have detailed tutorial videos for how to do all this stuff on my channel, so be sure to check it out. That'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.